Hello everyone. We're going to take a minute and talk about the Lawn Boy Bricktop. This has a serial number match to 1972. This is a model 7081 vintage bricktop. This has the magnesium deck. As you can see here, it's listed magnesium. Very lightweight deck. It's all complete, no holes or cracks. The engine has been completely reworked with all new piston rings, all new engine gaskets, new top and bottom crankshaft seals, new points and condenser, new carburetor overhaul kit, new air filter, new fuel lines and clips, brand new aftermarket fuel cap, new starter pull rope and handle, new Champion CJ14 spark plug. The deck and shroud have both been sanded, primed, and painted with two-part automotive paint and clear coated. All new reproduction decals added here. Our new 1972 OP decal there as well. The blade has been cleaned, sharpened and balanced, and painted with high temperature paint to help prevent rust and corrosion. The wheels are vintage Lawn Boy and are all in good condition for being the age they are. The handle is the original handle, and the chrome nickel is, believe it or not, in pretty good shape for this model of mower. We did add a new top grip on there. We were going to take a minute and let you hear it run. If you're starting this from a cold start, you would flip this to on and give it a couple of primes. We have had it running for testing, so we don't need to do that. So we're going to crank it up now and let you hear it run. As you can clearly see, this is a very tremendously good running machine. That will conclude this video. I'm Charlie Mack. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me on YouTube or on eBay. I will be more than happy to assist. If not, please have a blessed day. Thanks for tuning in.